Organized by the Student Union, the beginning of this fall semester marked a unique workshop that aimed to explore the art of perfume making.
Hi, I'm Hania Shohdi, Chairperson Events and Entertainment. I have 4 projects underneath me. One of them is Empower, which is working for this workshop today. So about this workshop, it's a perfume making workshop. So why we chose to do it now is because we wanted to warm up the student body before starting at the start of the semester. Yani. We wanted them to have a little bit of fun before we started going into more events and more of the bigger events. So that's why we chose to do it now. And the instructor is Ziad Al-Hadari. He's a TikToker. He also has a perfume brand. So we thought he would be he's very close to the age of the students. He would understand them. He would be beneficial to them as he has already expertise in the field.
Led by a passionate perfume maker, this workshop offers students a hands-on experience with a thoughtfully selected array of aromatic ingredients.
I heard about the workshop من Instagram AUCTV account on Instagram. وبصراحة I love the vibe and everything about the workshop. I'm so interested in doing a special perfume and unique perfume for me because صراحة I love perfumes. It's fun يعني I really enjoyed.
Led by a passionate perfume maker, this workshop offers students a hands-on experience with a thoughtfully selected array of aromatic ingredients.
I'm very excited actually to be here النهارده لان it's a very nice gesture من الجامعه ان انتوا تعملوا activity زي ده. Usually student activities do a set of activities ومش بيجددوا فيها ف it's very nice ان احنا عاملين workshop للبرفيوم مثلا النهارده. So it's a very nice thing. That's why I was so excited ان انا اجي النهارده يعني. Why did I start my brand? It's a very random thing. أنا كنت I always use perfume معينة with a specific brand. رحت فجأة لقيت إن مع الدولار واختلاف الأسعار اكتشفت إن السعر بتاعها بقى more than the double of the price. So قلت خلاص let's try the local products يعني out of curiosity يعني قلت أشوف how things work في الماركت. لقيت إن معظم اللوكال products هنا they are very low quality وكمان البرايس بتاعها very low. On the other side كان في الهاي كواليتي والفيري هاي برايس. فأنا حسيت إن أنا I can bridge the gap ما بين الاثنين فقدرت إن أنا أبدأ البراند بتاعي. My whole brand is produced في فرانس. كل حاجة متصنعة في فرنسا بنفس المصانع actually ونفس كمان البروديوسرز اللي بيصنعوا لبراندز عالمية كبيرة هم نفس البراندز اللي أنا بتعامل معاهم. الفرق بس إن أنا باخد نفس الكواليتي بتاع الانترناشونال براندز بس بسعر لوكال ودي البالانس اللي أنا قدرت أعملها.
Under the guidance of Ziad Al-Hadari, participants can explore their creative talents and develop their own scents.
I think the best advice I would tell anybody, especially هنا يعني ما تسمعش كلام أي حد محبط لأن بجد when I thought of the brand رحت لكذا بروديوسر في مصر كل واحد يقول لي استحالة السعر ده تعمل بيه كواليتي دي استحالة توصل للليفل بتاع الانترناشونال براندز استحالة توصل لنفس البروديوسر اللي بيصنع لبراندز كبيرة قوي. At the end of the day كنت ممكن أحبط واكشلي جالي وقت قلت خلاص يعني هم أكيد أدرى مني وراجل قال لي أنا بقالي 40 سنة في المجال ده واستحالة ما أعرفش إيه وبلا بلا بلا. At the end of the day إن 3 شهور عرفت اعمل نفس الكواليتي ونفس الفكره اللي في بالي بس I did the hard work وقعدت ادور and I searched. فما تسمعوش كلام لاي حد لان usually people doesn't like you to be nicer than them especially في businesses. ف do your best يعني do your best to pursue your dream everything is feasible يعني.
Beyond being a fun and educational experience, this workshop serves as a platform for students to connect with like-minded individuals and cultivate collaborative and creative attempts. Ali Arabi, AUCTV, Cairo.